Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to adjusting background and the CapCut apps. For example, I have one picture here and to adjust background. So before I'm going to remove the background, so just click on the clip and then select cut out, and select remove background for this kind of the clip, so just click check mark, and then to adjust the background you are just going to select you can select canvas, so you can select color, you can select background or blur. Well, for example I'm going to select background, so you can select background available here or you can select from your picture. In this case, or for example select this one, and you can adjust for the size, the scale, and the position, so like that. Okay, so super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.